Hey y'all, my name is Ella Galbraith. I'm a sales consultant here with David Weekly Homes in Jacksonville, Florida. And today I am very excited to show you a video of our Rosamond floor plan here in the villas at Kettering in eTown. When you walk in, notice how much natural light there is. The entire side and back of the home is lined with windows. In fact, there are 24 windows throughout the Rosamond floor plan. I personally love how open concept this floor plan is. It's great for those who like to host and have people over. You could fit an even larger dining table, and the living room can fit many different furniture configurations or couch configurations. I just wanted to take a quick minute to explain this flex area right here. We do build the Rosamond floor plan in 3 different ways. The only change would be in this specific area I'm standing in right here. So sometimes we will build it as you see here. This is designed to be a flex area. So you have an entry off the kitchen, and then you also have an entry into the living room. Sometimes we will also build it as an enclosed study. So what we would do is we would close in this wall here, close in that hallway that leads to the living room, and we would put a glass door here in this area to make it that enclosed study. Now I've moved you over here to show you a little bit better the third way that we build this floor plan, and that is by making this area a 4th bedroom. So what we would do is, again, close in that walkway going into the living room, and we would also be bumping out this half bathroom to about right here, and it would become a full bathroom. And then we would be adding in a closet right here, and there would be a doorway right here going into the bedroom. So this 3rd full bathroom would be outside the bedroom that guests could still use if they're just over for dinner. They don't need to go through a bedroom to actually get to this bathroom, but it would be nearby. So if you did have guests staying here in this bedroom downstairs, they would have a full bathroom to be able to use. Every villa here has a fenced-in backyard that is completely maintained by the HOA for that low maintenance and convenient lifestyle. This owner's retreat is truly a showstopper. It is so spacious. You can see how much furniture you can fit in here. And the best part is you get a covered balcony off of your bedroom. All of the home sites back up to either preserve or Ponda Preserve, so you have beautiful private views to wake up to every morning. Alrighty, well that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. If you have any further questions on the villas at Kettering and eTown about pricing, incentives, or availability, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll leave my contact information below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.